welcome back to my channel. I am Jennifer. If you guys notice, I recently changed my channel name to Deals by DesignerJen, so you guys want to definitely check that out. Oh, thank you. Give it to Daddy. He'll open it for you. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I was actually happy with what I got at CVS. The only thing that sucked is I was going to do like the toothpaste scenario deal because I had a good CRT. My store was like 98% sold out of Colgate toothpaste. The only ones they had left were like the 2-pack and the 3-pack and the like $7. He went upstairs, honey. Daddy went upstairs. Daddy went upstairs. Go upstairs. Yeah. Anyways, they only had the expensive stuff, and I'm just like, really? Like, how bad is it? But I did notice that they finally stocked their razors, but a lot of stuff was sold out, a lot of stuff was not, but it's getting there, hopefully. But anyways, this is this week's freebie. We have Veggie Chips. Yeah, not much else I can say about it, but they were free. They're $2.99 originally. And then you have that clip to your card. I just scratched myself in the face. You clip that to your card, and then you guys can get those for free. So the next deal I got is the all laundry detergent. Okay, so these were on sale for $2.99. I had a $1.25 off coupon for the blue one and a $1.25 off printable coupon for the white one. There's also digitals if you guys want to use the digitals. But then I received a 2 off of 2 CRT for all today, which I was super excited. So I got these both for $1.48 or like 75 cents a piece, which is a great deal if you guys need to stock up on laundry detergent. Okay, next bag, please. I think what they're doing with this bottle is I think they're having a sale for this every single week, so they're trying to get rid of it. But these are regular on sale for $9.99. They're originally $11.99. You'd pay $9.99 for this, but then you get a $9 extra care buck, making this just 99 cents. I think this is like the 3rd week I've gotten this, so if you guys need to go ahead and get that, go for it. And then I got this Hask shampoo and conditioner. Now these are on sale, 2 for $8. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $8 for this. But you get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy 2, and you get a $1.50 with Ibotta and a $1.50 back with Ibotta, so you get $3 back with Ibotta. So technically your total, or actually your total would be just $3 or $1.50 for this. I was really trying to figure out like what product I wanted to use for my hair because I've never used this kind before. So I got the coconut oil, so we'll see how well it does. Hopefully it doesn't leave my hair greasy. I've only had one shampoo that's ever done that. So, yes. I ended up getting the Neutrogena makeup removers. Now these were $6.99. I had a $1 off digital and a $1 off printable coupon that I used for this. I had a $3 off Neutrogena makeup CRT, and then I had a $2 off Neutrogena wipes CRT. So I paid $6.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back, making this just 98 cents. That's like 49 cents a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Okay, so the next deal we did is I did this spend 30 deal because I wanted to use this hair care CRT. Funny thing is, I was scanning the products and the 4 off of 20 hair care was not popping up for any of the shampoo and conditioners that I had, but it did scan at the register, so I thought that was kind of weird. But this is the deal that I did. So I ended up getting the Herbal Essence. These were 2 for $12, and I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I bought 3 of the Pantenes. These were 3 for $12, and I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. And then, so then I had these spend 20, you get $4, or spend 20, you get $4 off for shampoo conditioner. But then I also bought the Poise liners. Now these were regular price, $6.79. I bought 2 of them. I used a $3 off insert coupon and a $3 off insert coupon from a couple weeks ago. And then I also had a 3 off of 12 Poise product, CRT. So I ended up paying $15.58 for 5 bottles of shampoo and 2 of the Poise. I ended up getting $10 back for spending $30, so I got $10 back. But then you can submit your receipt for 2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta. So this ended up coming $3.58 or just 51 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. I'm trying to like use up as many variety of CRTs that I have, especially like the shampoo one, because I haven't been getting it very often. So I ended up doing that way. The next deal I did was the Skintimate Erasers. So these were each $5.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons. There is a digital and we did get printables. And then I used, this was $8.99 and I used a $4 off insert coupon. I had a spend 20, you get $4 off any shaved CRT, so I ended up using that. You'd pay $6.97 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. My store finally started getting the men's razors in stock. Like, I was just like shocked on how full it was. So I got that. And then the last deal I got was the Irish Spring Body Wash. These were $3.99. I used a $1 off digital and a $1 off insert coupon for this. I also had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. You'd pay $3.98 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making this just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. So I got those. So that was my haul, you guys. I was actually happy with what I got this time. Last week I just felt like it was just so bad last week, and the ad was a little bit slow today, but I actually felt like I did pretty good. So my total came to 78 cents. I paid 78 cents for everything. Now I redeem gift cards, like from Ibotta. I redeem a gift card and then I just scan it, or I just screenshot it on my phone, and then I just have them scan it, so I'm not paying any money, like no taxes or anything of my own money. I ended up using $42.20. Now, 10 of that was the Care Pass. Like, I don't know if I should include that as an extra buck. It can't, technically I used it, but anyways, I used the $10 to go towards the $42.20. I ended up receiving $34.02 back with extra care bucks. Yeah, I did clip it to my card. I did clip the money to my card, and it still prints it out. So I don't know what's going on. But then I did receive $5 back with Ibotta, $1.50 times 2 for the Hask shampoo and conditioner, and then the 2 off of 2 rebate for the Poise. So my total came to $3.96. I got 20 items at just 19 cents a piece, which I'm pretty excited for. So I'm very happy with what I got. I'm trying to use those variety CRTs that I have, but you know, I felt like I got a lot better ones this time than what I got last time. So anyways, if you guys don't know this, when you go to the red machine, if you guys are the person who scans your card, scan your card 4 times. 4 times. Usually I can get it to scan 4 times, and then after that, then I enter my phone number 4 times, and usually out of all those 8 times, I'm still having CRTs shoot out at me. So definitely give that a heads up if you guys are new to CVS. But yeah, some people are like, I didn't get it all printed out. Just keep on scanning and keep on entering that phone number. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week. Have a nice week, and bye-bye.